regular basis or ever wake up at night gasping for air? Does your snoring cause your partner to wake up? Do you experience excessive daytime sleepiness? If the answer is yes, you might be an undiagnosed sleep apnea patient. Obstructive sleep apnea can be life-threatening and treatment is very important. In fact, Hall of Fame football great Reggie White died in his sleep from obstructive sleep apnea at 43 years of age. If you or someone you love has any of these symptoms, quit playing Russian roulette with your health and call us today for a free sleep apnea consultation. Hi, I'm Dr. Sean Vandeviver of Great Lakes Dentistry right here in Shelby. Give us a call at 586-677-2828 or visit us online at smileinmichigan.com.